Imagine you're driving your Audi like any other day. Everything feels normal until you stop at a traffic light and suddenly a warning appears on the dashboard. Start-stop system. System fault. Function unavailable. Your first thought might be, is this just the start-stop feature refusing to work, or is my car warning me about something much more serious? Now let me ask you a question. If this message appeared in your Audi today, would you keep driving without worrying, or would you get the car inspected immediately? Most drivers choose one of those two answers, but which one is actually correct? Many Audi owners don't panic because the vehicle often drives normally. The engine starts, the steering feels fine, and there are no strange noises. They assume only the fuel-saving start-stop feature has stopped working. In some situations, they're right. The start-stop system constantly checks conditions like battery charge, engine temperature, climate control demand, and safety requirements before shutting the engine off. If any of these conditions aren't met, the system can temporarily disable itself even though nothing has actually failed. But what if the warning keeps returning every time you start the car? That's where things change. A persistent start-stop system, system fault. Function unavailable message usually means the vehicle has detected an actual fault, stored a diagnostic trouble code, and disabled the system until the problem is repaired. Most people immediately blame the battery, and that's understandable because a weak AGM or EFB battery is one of the most common causes. However, replacing the battery doesn't always solve the problem. Modern Audi vehicles rely on constant communication between multiple control modules and sensors. If just one important signal becomes unreliable, the start-stop system may shut down even though the engine still runs perfectly. Now imagine you install a brand new battery, but the warning still appears. Was the new battery faulty? Not necessarily. Many Audi models require battery energy management adaptation after battery replacement. Without proper coding, the vehicle may continue using charging settings meant for the old battery, causing the fault to return. Here's another surprising example. A tiny hood latch microswitch can trigger the same warning. Even if the hood looks completely closed, the system must electronically confirm that it's secure. If the microswitch fails because of dirt, corrosion, or wear, the vehicle disables the start-stop system as a safety precaution. Most drivers would never suspect such a small component. The story doesn't end there. Brake vacuum leaks or faulty brake booster sensors can also trigger this warning because the system must ensure safe braking while the engine is off. In some cases, these problems can lead to additional ABS-related faults, making the issue much more serious than it first appears. The research also describes real cases involving cracked manual shifter linkages, faulty neutral position sensors, and failures in 48-volt belt starter generators on mild hybrid Audi models. Although the causes were completely different, every driver saw the same dashboard warning. That's why replacing parts based on guesswork often wastes both time and money. So what's the hidden lesson? The start-stop system isn't just designed to save fuel. It's constantly checking whether the vehicle is safe for automatic engine shutdown, battery condition, engine temperature, braking performance, transmission status, electrical reserve, and several other systems must all work together. If even one critical parameter fails, the system disables itself to protect the vehicle and its occupants. So, what should you do if this warning appears? First of all, don't panic. If start-stop system fault. Function unavailable is the only warning on the dashboard and the car is driving normally, it's generally safe to continue your journey, but you should have the vehicle checked as soon as possible. Avoid replacing the battery or any other parts based on guesswork because the same warning can be triggered by several different causes. Start by checking that the hood is fully closed, inspect the battery terminals for corrosion or loose connections, and if the battery was recently replaced, make sure it was properly registered or coded to the vehicle. If the warning remains, the next step is to scan the vehicle with a professional diagnostic tool to identify the stored fault code before replacing any components. However, if this warning appears together with ABS, brake system, red battery, or electrical system warnings, don't ignore it. Those combinations can indicate a more serious problem affecting braking or the vehicle's electrical system, and the safest option is to stop driving when it's safe and arrange professional inspection or towing if necessary. Can you keep driving? If this warning appears by itself and the car drives normally, the research indicates it's generally safe to continue driving, but you should have the vehicle diagnosed soon. However, if the warning appears together with brake system warnings, ABS lights, or electrical system malfunction messages, it should be treated much more seriously because those combinations may indicate reduced braking assistance or major electrical problems. The biggest takeaway isn't that every start-stop warning is an emergency. It's that the same message can have many different causes. One driver may need a battery, another may need battery coating, while someone else could have a faulty hood latch switch, a vacuum leak, or an electrical failure. The dashboard message looks identical, but the real problem can be completely different. So the next time your Audi displays Start-Stop System Fault, function unavailable, don't just ask, how do I clear the warning? Instead ask yourself, what is my Audi trying to tell me? The answer to that question could save you from replacing the wrong parts and help you catch a much bigger problem before it becomes an expensive repair.